a young nigga doing this shit. 14, 15 years old, blood. But just watching how you moving, man, that shit, general type shit. You hear me? If a nigga don't know you, they ain't gonna know you.
Yeah.
The way you moving on some real life gangster shit. Smart man.
Hell yeah.
You'll be out here a long time like this. I'm gonna come out here more. And I need you to come to the biddy, nigga. You gotta come to the city.
You know
I'm bringing you straight to Gladys.
They gonna put the studio on top of
the
that.
Island, nigga. I'm gonna put the studio on top of it. I know one thing, two things for certain. Nigga, we safe in that jungle.
Yeah.
Nigga not gonna play with me or you or nothing connected to us in that jungle.
Yeah.
Shit, New Orleans, nigga, we super safe.
For sure.
They love me. Like they love you out here, they love me, fam. My city love me, man. And I fuck with my city, and I love my city. They want me to come home. I'm ready to come home.
I know what the Lord be, man.
They want me to come home. Real talk. That real love, too.
Yeah, that real love.
I'm coming back home. I can't wait to go home, man.
At the gate. I'm so trying to be so wisdom.
Real rap, man. Man, everything connected. We're going back to the biddy with this shit. We're going to New Orleans with it, man. Me, you, Top, Future, Uzi, everybody. Drizzy, Wayne, Jeezy. Man, we're going to the jungle with this shit, man.
Okay, man.
It's time to get back in the mud with it. You know?
Nigga gonna respect it, man.
Real talk, because niggas everywhere, man. Time to get back in the mud with this shit, man.
Yeah.
And catch another 20 with this shit, fine.
Yeah.
Man, ain't nobody can't tell me we can't do it. That's where we gonna win at. I'm gutting out Gladys Bar to stop. We're gonna put the studio there, Stunna Island. Man, we going back to New Orleans with this shit, man.
How with it?
You heard me, fam? Shit. 504-251-404 and 305. We with all that and 225. We with all that, man.
Yeah.
We with all that shit, man. That's the gutter.
That's it.
That's what I'm on.
Yeah.
That's what I'm on, fam.
I've been waiting to hear you talk.
But on a note, bro, I like how you moving, bro. It's smart, bro. You're a smart man, fam. You heard me?
Yeah.
You know, I just met you, my nigga. I like what you was on.
Yeah.
You heard me? But now that I'm getting to know you, nigga, this smart mentality. You're gonna last a long time like this, nigga.
Yeah.
You're a thinker. But you're a penitentiary nigga, so you got to know how to think.
What you say?
You heard me, fam?
What
And
you
a nigga
say?
been behind that wall know how to think.
Yeah. It's a shoebox, man.
Nah, bro. For real, fam.
It's a shoebox.
Nah, for real, bro. You know, the most gangster part about all this shit, people move on your command. You the leader.
Yeah.
You the leader. You leading the shoebox. You leading everybody, man. That's what this shit about, man. That's I was 14, 15 years old with 100 niggas. I'm the youngest nigga leading everybody. You heard me, fam? I'm watching this shit cool to me, man. This shit bring me back to my neck of the woods. Nigga, you running shit.
Yeah.
Everybody gonna move on your command. Nigga, you got all these motherfuckers depending on you, fam. So you know what we got to do. But you're a smart nigga, though. I gotta give it to you. Just watching how you move, showing me. Nigga, I'm 54 years old. I don't give a fuck about none of this shit no more.
Yeah.
But I'm still in love with it.
Yeah.
I'm still in love with it.
Yeah,
I'm up in this stuff.
Yeah.
I'm still in love with it, fam.
Yeah.
I can't let it go. I ain't letting it go. I'm in love with it. I don't know nothing else. Everything, I don't know nothing else, bro.
It's so.
I was in the boys' home, jail, man. This when I got this shit, I fell in love with it.
True.
You know what I mean? I'm like, nigga, these motherfuckers depending on you, nigga. You know what we got to do, nigga. We got to run it up. We got to run it way up. And you gonna do that. You already doing it. Man, you playing chestnut checkers, man. I'm fucking with it.
Yeah.
I'm fucking with it. I'm on your time. And I know it, you heard me, this shit feel like I'm uptown, nigga. I'm safe. Feel like I'm uptown. Safe.
Shit showing. Super safe.
You heard me, fine?
Real talk. They said Kyle looking like a rebel. I'm fine looking like a rebel. When we go out there live, y'all pull up sideways like that.